in UdonThani. Got 2 air conditioning units and a smart TV, super fast internet, and a nice bedroom, so separate bedroom, and air condition, and chest of drawers and large wardrobe. And it's got the air conditioning unit here as well, and a small table for maybe play with the computer if you want, or maybe you want to eat at the table. Coffee table and couch and air condition. And then here you've got a shower, a toilet and a washing basin, soap, and all the stuff's provided. Electric kettle, microwave and fridge freezer, and a rice cooker and cutlery. And then here you've got a place to sit. If you want to smoke, you can smoke outside, not inside, but you can smoke on the balcony and overlooking the city. That's the UdonThani city here. They're all here. Nice and quiet. This is Friday at 1 o'clock and it's quiet, so at night time it would be more quiet. So you can rent per week. It's 599 baht a day, including the laundry and the cleaning, and what else you got included? Your toilet paper and your coffee and your water and stuff like that's all included in the price. And you've got downstairs you've got a dry cleaning washing service, 2 pools, 2 swimming pools, and you've got 2 gyms. So it's really nice. This side your views out to the mountains on this side, so really nice. So I pity when you put a wee table and chairs here, because then you could sit and just look on the sunset. Okay, so it's a 1-bedroom apartment for rent in UdonThani. We've got 2. We've got one on the first floor overlooking the swimming pool and the gym. So I'll make a link in the listing, and I'll list most of them and give you the booking calendars and the discounts and stuff like that, because the longer you book, you get a more discount. Okay. Okay, let's wrap this up and get organised for another job. Okay. The condo's right opposite Nombrejak Park at the museum, so it's a really good location. So easy access in and out the city, about downtown 5 minutes on a motorbike, so it's not too far. And you've got Grab and you've got the taxis, and there's bus services 100 metres from here. You just 10 baht buses. Okie dokie.